So behind me is the machine for the multi-component plastic. For example, if you want to pack some like the hardware, washer or some nut, and today customer want to pack like different size of the hose clamp. As you can see, they have the clip inside, and then they want to pack like 10 pieces per bag. So let us see how this machine work. Okay, so behind me, you can see there is two big vibratory bowl. Also, we call the vibrator feeder, which could count like 10 pieces hose clamp into our package unit. First of all, this vibration feeder will be vibrate, and then one by one, they will go into our content unit, which is sensed by the sensors. Okay, after drop it, the product will go through and then drop into our back mode, and then come down. It will automatically pack and seal here by the packing machine. So let us look some other details. Besides the feeder, we can see the packing roll here, which make the bags automatically by the packing machine. And then the customer also adds a day printer, which to help customer print their logos, barcode or HR code to help them get the very beauty signal for the on the package. For example, this is our finished product, which counts around 10 pieces inside the 20 pieces inside the package. And here is a for example for the printer how it works on it. So also we can look at some detail. So how to control this machine is very easier. So we click on it. Okay, we can see the whole screen is on English or other language could be customized. And we can see it, for example, here we have Chinese, English, for example, Russia or Spanish, which could be customized your language. So it will be very easy for you. Okay, and then we can easier there are start, post, and other language, others functions. And this function, we will send you a manual book to help you understand which button is meaning and to help you how to operate this machine. But before the machine delivery, the whole machine we will set in the well operational, so you can install it in your factory easily and to start the running smoothly immediately. Okay, and so we can also see like uh, okay, I think that's all. Okay. So inside here we can see some electric component, and also we can see the menu will be also inside here. So for each electric signal we have the number, so it will be easier for you to recognize and also for our engineer to help you solve the problem perhaps in the future. So another part I want to introduce is that later when the package come out through the package unit, they will drop into our check weigher. This machine will help to double convert whether this package is well done, whether it have the good quantity in this package. Okay, that's all. Thank you.